Anyway, so here's the plan. We all know that Vossen wheels are quite the rage nowadays. Everybody digs them. So why not go ahead and try making a DIY replica of one of those? We'll be making a copy from this here Steely, just for the sake of seeing what comes out of it. This should actually turn out to be pretty interesting. As soon as we weld it all together and apply a bit of paint, it'll be hard to tell the difference. Here's the rim. After grinding it all down and spraying on some paint. Of course I am. Anyway, now we just have to... So we've welded on 5 spokes made from boxed steel, and I reckon they should be able to take a good amount of stress. I say we head out and do some testing. Let's do this. Here we are, driving down the road. We've done a great job with the welding. No problem. This type of DIY converted steel rim, it's really no different from any alloy wheel out there. Well, obviously, if you were to take a closer look, you'd notice that they've been grinded down, but take one step away from the car and you can't see any of that. Instead, it looks like a real Vossen wheel. So if you're looking into doing something like this, make sure to get yourself some thick wall box section, something capable of withstanding some serious stress. And don't forget that we are dealing with a DIY piece here, which is completely unsuitable for any sort of spirited driving. And that's all I have for you fellas. Watch us, send in a few comments and suggestions